Radhas, who grow up in a small village, always loves cooking. She experiments with different dishes, especially the Chinese, choosing which she learns from books and her imaginations. After marriage, she moves to a prestigious families in the cities. The house was big and everything was luxurious, but there was no love and respect. Her mother-in-law Sunita Davis and sisters-in-law Neha believes that a village girl was only good for making chapatis. They experiences turns to her.
Oh, Neha, check out if our master chef has cooked anything or if she's still lost in her dreams. And the food will be ready once she steps out of her dream world. Till then, we'll just have to wait. It's time for Rohan to leave. The food is not ready yet.
It will be ready soon. Don't worry about me, please.
It's done. Just got delayed while frying the spices. Oh, please, you don't even know how to hold a ladle properly and you're frying spices.
Radha silently listens to everything, but her confidence never waves. She continues cooking different kinds of Chinese dishes for Rohan's children's maternal moments. Each dish is reflected her skins. Rohan loves her cooking and always prized her.
Radha, your cooking is amazing. Why keep it just inside the house? You should share your talent with the world.
What? Do you really think so? Can my dream come true?
Yes, I do. You should showcase your talent to everyone.
Radha took Rohan's words to heart. She decided to do some things different, but when she mentioned setting up a Chinese food stall, it created an uproar in the house.
Our daughter-in-law will sell food on the street. What will people say? Oh my God, she is going to bring shame to our family.
There is no shame in honest work if done with dedication. Please be broad-minded.
Rohan, have you lost your mind? You are supporting her nonsense.
Yes, I am. If Radha wants to achieve something through hard work, why should she be stopped?
Fine, if you two want to do this, then leave this house right now and sell your food on the street. No, mother-in-law. Please don't say that. I won't set up a stall. I won't talk about this again.
No, Radha. This is about your self-respect. We are leaving right now.
With Rohan's sports, Radha started her food stalls at first. People estimated a village girls making Chinese food most be a jokes, but when someone tasted her momos and Manchurians, they were amazing. Slowly, her stalls became popular. People start rising her on social media.
Radha, your hard work is paying off. Your food stall is becoming famous all over the city.
This happened only because of you. If you wouldn't have believed in me, this wouldn't have been possible.
But the magic is in your hands. That's why everyone loves your Chinese food.
That's true, but we had to leave our family because of all this. That thought still bothers me.
Don't think much about that. One day they will realize their mistake.
Radha Chinese food stalls became so popular that even Arvind Malhotras, the owners of the city's top hotels, loyal grands, heard about it. He decided to taste her food himself, disguising himself as a regular customer. Radha had no idea that the man in front of her was a big hotel's owner, Arvind. Took a bite and was shocked. This taste is incredible. He tried her momos, Manchurians, and chivans. Each dish left him speechless.
Radha, you are incredibly talented. I want you to be the head chef at my hotel. You'll get a great salary and your own kitchen.
Are you talking serious?
Yes, I want you to serve your Chinese food to my high-profile customers. Hope you accept my offer.
For Radha, this felt like a dream. She happily accepted the others. Her mothers-in-law and sisters-in-law, who once tormented her own, started to realize their mistakes.
Our daughter-in-law has achieved so much. She's now a chef in such a big hotel. Yes, and you unnecessarily told them to leave the house. But what is done is done.
Everyone was happy with Radha's success. Vikram's Mohra, the farmer's head chief of Royal's Grand, did not like this at all. He considers himself the best chief and seeing a street food vendor takes his place. Hot is ego.
You made a roadside vendor the head chef without thinking? Is she really that skilled? Think again. Vikram, I hired you based on your skills. Believe me, she cooks even better than you. Okay then. Then let's have a competition. Let's see who cooks better. If that's what you want, then fine. We'll hold a contest between you and Radha. That will decide who the better chef is. Let's go for it.
One announcement that International Cooking Challenge at the hotels where Reddit's and Vikram's would complete. Whoever's made the best dishes would be the achievements on the day of the challenge. The hotel's hall was decorates media's food challenge.
Today I'll prove to Arvind who the better chef is. Radha, don't worry at all. Just stay calm and do your best. No matter the result, win or lose, you'll always be my master chef. All the best.
I don't care about winning or losing. I just want to do my work with honesty and dedication, as I always
Some
have.
prepares a perfect authentic Chinese dishes with astonishing perfection on the other's heads. Radha's used her dish Chinese fashion styles. She gives a spices India twist to the Manchurians and fills the moments with
Vikram's
India.
technique is excellent. Exactly how authentic Chinese cuisine should be. But Radha's use of Indian spice is an international dish. This Desi Chinese fusion is incredible. So Radha wins this competition.
The result was the announcement. Radha was the winner. Vikram realized his mistakes and apologized to Radha's.
You truly have talent. I underestimated you, but you proved that real skill doesn't depend on a degree or experience. I told you, Vikram, Radha's hands create magic.
No, sir, it's not magic. I just work hard with passion and dedication.
I knew that. You would only win. Now you're truly a master chef.
After this, Radha's and Vikram's worked together to revamp the hotel's menus. They introduced a new Desi Chinese sections, which quickly became the most popular in the cities.
See, Vikramji, our hard work has paid off. Our menu is now in the highest demand in the city.
Radha, this is all because of you. Your Desi Chinese fusion is such a hit that our customers are increasing day by day.
No, Vikramji, that's not all. Your experience and techniques have helped me a lot too.
In just a few months, Radha's just remains the head chief. She becomes the co-owners of Royal's Grand. Her journeys became an impression for many village girls who started from a street food stalls through a lot hard work, reached a five-star hotels. Now her stories was inspiring millions, proving that the true dedications, determinations, and confidence everyone can achieve great heights.